Hello everyone, and it's time for another car brand roast. Don't take this too serious. In fact, this video is impossible to be true. Toyota is perfect. So let's get started. I am your AI host that sometimes misspells some words, but it makes it even funnier. So today we have the emblem of reliability. Or is it? Today we're delving into everything wrong with Toyota, because even the most dependable cars have their quirks and headaches. Let's start with Toyota's frequent transmission issues. Owners often find themselves stuck in gear limbo, as if their car is indecisive about which gear to choose. Oh, you wanted a smooth ride? Sorry, your Toyota is currently having an existential crisis in the transmission department. The notorious engine oil consumption problem that leaves owners baffled and their wallets empty. It's like the car has a secret thirst for oil, constantly sipping away at the supply. Yes, let me just check my oil. Oh, it's gone again. Maybe I should just invest in a personal oil well. Let's talk about Toyota's dashboard materials, or lack thereof. Owners are often greeted with a dashboard that seems to be shedding its skin, leaving behind a trail of unsightly peeling and cracking. It's like the car is molting, but instead of feathers, it's shedding plastic. Yes, my Toyota comes with a unique feature, a dashboard that looks like it's been through a war. And let's not forget Toyota's surprising susceptibility to rust, especially in unexpected places. Owners are left scratching their heads as their seemingly indestructible Toyota starts to show signs of corrosion. It's like the car decided to embrace its inner antiques before its time. Oh, you thought Toyotas were rust-proof? Think again, says your trusty rust bucket. Ah, the enigmatic dashboard warning lights of a Toyota, a cryptic language that only the bravest dare to decipher. It's like the car is trying to communicate with hieroglyphics, leaving owners wondering if they accidentally bought a vehicle from an ancient civilization. Yes, let me just consult the ancient text. Oh, it says check engine in ancient Toyota script. And of course, we can't overlook Toyota's underwhelming fuel economy, especially in a world where gas prices seem to be competing with the stock market. It's like the car has a love affair with the gas pump, always hungry for more fuel than you anticipated. Yes, I know I'm not driving a tank, but my Toyota seems to think otherwise. Let's talk about Toyota's suspension that turns every drive into a chiropractic adventure. Owners quickly learn that the car has a talent for transmitting every bump and pothole directly to their spine. It's like the car wants you to experience a roller coaster ride without leaving the safety of the driver's seat. Yes, I wanted to feel every pebble on the road, thank you, Toyota. Oh, and who can forget Toyota's occasional bout of amnesia when it comes to automatic door locks? Owners find themselves locked out of their own cars as if the Toyota suddenly decided they're not worthy of entering. Yes, because what I wanted today was a workout trying to break into my own car. And let's talk about Toyota's cruise control that seems to have a mind of its own. Owners experience moments of sheer terror as the car decides to accelerate or decelerate on its own, turning a leisurely drive into a roller coaster of emotions. Yes, because who doesn't love a surprise burst of speed when they're cruising on the highway? And last but not least, the dreaded sunroof water leak issue that turns rainy days into a game of find the bucket. Owners discover that their Toyota has a knack for letting in more than just sunlight, creating a mini swimming pool inside. Yes, because I always wanted an indoor water feature in my car. Oh, there you have it, folks. Everything wrong with Toyota, from transmission troubles to oil consumption woes, and a host of surprises along the way. But hey, despite the quirks, we still can't deny the Toyota's reputation for reliability. Most of the time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you've ever encountered the joys and frustrations of owning a Toyota, and subscribe for more car comedy. Share your own Toyota tales in the comments below. Click on the videos for more car roasts or to know the problem with the modern cars. And let's commiserate over the unexpected adventures these cars bring.